And Sarah, puppy superhero.
I don't know what
E. There's a skunk that's bringing over our town. That's trying to smell up everything so everybody smells bad. This skunk is up in that tree. You have to go on a bouncy walk like the cat. The cat climbed down. The skunk climbed down. You need to ride. It's at the bathroom. Let's go. What? Wait, hold it up.
No, I can't.
Yeah, put it in your basket.
You're fine, that's right. Go ahead.
Put the walkie-talkie on top of your cape. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Make sure the walkie-talkie doesn't fall during the journey. Yes, put it on your jeans. Let's go. Giddy up. Yeehaw. Okay, remember, watchful car. I'm talking on the walkie-talkie. Okay?
Lily, I just get started.
Okay, Lily. Let's go. The skunk is running away. Go quick. Hurry. Wait, put this like that. Hurry, the skunk is getting in a tree. Run! Hurry up, the skunk is going!
Oh, I'm in the bathroom. That's skunk one in the bathroom.
That's bad.
I don't do food, okay? Okay, here. We are at the bathroom.
We're in the bathroom.
Wait! I got a skunk! Let's throw him in a garbage can.
Close the lid and lock it.
Okay, let's go back.
Wait. Sarah. Quit.
Clap. Fireworks.
Are you on your way?
Libby, Libby, give me a walkie-talkie.
Are you on your way? Quick, there's people there. Don't give away your secret identity.
We are on our way back. Can you please?
Yes.
Okay, your hamburger's ready.
It's soon time for superhero lunch, dinner. Let's go. Because it looks cool. How was that mission?
Good.
Good.
A pack of lilies.
Okay, make sure you put your bike on the porch so the skunk doesn't come and get it again. Oh yeah, I also texted the garbage can to put the skunk in the a cage.
Right.
Okay. Now say bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.